Hello everyone. In today's video of Google advertisement, we will be learning about the key fundamental steps and fundamental terms that are being used in Google advertisements. This is the first video of Google advertisement series. In the next video, I will show you the practical implementation of all the things, of all those stuff that is being discussed in today's video. So let's start. First of all, I would like to tell you that what is Google Ads. Google provides you a comprehensive platform with the help of which you can put ads on Google search results. You could have seen whenever you search something, it may be about a particular laptop or maybe about a particular college, university, there is some sort of advertisement which shows at the top. Among all the search results, I will show you this thing in the next video. Among all the search results, there will be some results, some laptops or some colleges which listings will be there at the top of the Google search results, and in the side of it left corner it will be written that it is ad. So to implement those ads in Google, this is the known as Google AdWords. Now what is it? We will get to know about it step by step. So let's start that Google AdWords campaign types. Campaign means something with the help of which you can place Google advertisements. So there are five types of campaign in Google Ads. First is the search network with display select, search network only, display network only, shopping online and videos. Video campaigns, that is YouTube advertisement. Shopping online, I will show you in the next video how shopping online is the advertisement that being given by Google. And you could have seen also, suppose if you select buy laptops only, na, at the top you will see that sponsored will be written and there will be some laptops listing which shows that it is the laptop companies which have paid to Google to show their products at the top. It is known as the shopping ads of Google, and rest out of campaigns I will be displaying it in the very next video of this series. Then third is Google AdWords definition. What is Google AdWords? Google AdWords is nothing, it is the Google advertisement program. Google AdWords is a product which you can use to promote your business, help to sell products or services, raise awareness, and increase traffic to your website. As like in the case of Facebook advertisements, we have done that if I want to create a campaign or create an ad in Facebook, first of all I have to select the objective of mine. It may be to reach awareness, maybe to brand awareness is there, maybe to increase traffic. So for like this, in the very same manner, we have Google Ads also. I have already uploaded a video regarding Google Ads and how to practically implement it. You can see that ad or see that video also. So Google AdWords is nothing. Google AdWords is just the Google's online advertisement program. Now you could have come to know about one more topic, one more headline, that is Google AdSense. Now, please try to understand the distinction between these two as they are really damn important. Google AdWords means what? Google AdWords is Google advertisement program with the help of which you can, as a business, as a company, can promote your product. I would like to repeat, Google AdWords is a program with the help of which you as a business, as an individual, as an entrepreneur, as a company can promote your products, services across Google. You can show people advertisement that yes, ma'am, sir, I am promoting this product, I am selling this product. You can purchase it from me. And what is Google AdSense? Google AdSense is the advertisement sales channel. Suppose I have a website. Suppose I have a website named abc.com. In abc.com, what I have done, I have shown the ads of those people who have given their product advertisement through Google AdWords. I know that it's a bit technical terms are there, but it's really damn easy. Google AdWords means with the help of this program, I want to showcase my products, my services to a large number of people. My products I am advertising to people, and with the help of AdSense, what I am doing as a particular person, as a website owner, I am letting the ads which is being placed by the businessman with Google AdWords in my own website, that is AdSense. You will have a much more clear understanding of this concept in the next video, that will be the practical implementation of all this stuff. The next thing is what? Google AdWords advantages. Reaching people searching for what you offer, that is known as detailed targeting, target audience. That what people are looking for, you are only offering the very same thing. That's also known as demographics in Facebook advertisement as well. Now it is control your budget. You can select your budget as per your pocket. Then it's measurable, it is accountable, it is flexible. It guarantee that you are going to get results from Google advertisements, because your ads will be shown to only those people who are interested on the types of products which you are selling. Now it is cost effective, it is relevance, it is highly targeted, as it is given in the first point. It is highly targeted. It will be targeted to those people only who are interested on your products. And remarketing. You can remarket ads. Suppose a particular person has senior products. They have gone till the shopping cart and they have left that particular product there itself. You can reapproach the people. It is known as retargeting ads. That is possible with Facebook also, and it is possible with Google advertisements also. So it is known as remarketing. Now see, Google AdWords search results. I will show you this in the practical sense in the next video. It is flower delivery in Hyderabad at midnight. This AD ad, as you can see, this AD ad, as you can see. So see, where is my cursor? This AD ad means what? It is Google paid marketing. As I have seen in the very first video of digital marketing, I have taught you that what is paid marketing. So it is known as the paid marketing. It is paid marketing of Google. See, if you are going to search for flower delivery in Hyderabad at midnight, these all results will come, where these results are advertised by with the help of Google AdWords platform. AdWords. Now, AdWords is organized into three layers: account, campaigns, and ad groups. A particular account is associated with an email address and your password. It's simply your Google account, nothing else. Your account can have more than one campaign. It can have multiple campaigns. A campaign determines a particular type of product. Suppose I am the owner of a particular e-commerce company. I'm selling clothes. I'm selling electronic products. So my campaign can be electronics. Within those campaign, I can have ad groups. Ad group means I can have a ad group named laptop. I could have a ad group named mobile. I could have a ad group named suppose it's cameras. So campaign is one, that is electronics. Among electronics campaign, you have cameras, you have laptops, you have mobile. Within that laptop, I have ads, I have keywords. Ads means suppose a particular laptop is there of company XYZ. With that one laptop XYZ, I can show multiple types of ads also according to my wish. So it is known as ads. And what is keyword? Keyword refers to a special word that a particular person as a visitor is going to search, and it determines your site ranking. Suppose I have searched best laptop under 10,000. So best laptop under 10,000 is a keyword. Best flower delivery in Kolkata. So best flower delivery in Kolkata is a keyword. This sort of things you can use by making your site, so that if people are going to search for this sort of queries, your site ranking will come at the top. And keywords in sense of ad group also it is implemented, because when you are going to publish any sort of advertisement with Google, they will allow you a option that you please add some sort of keyword. I have already shown a practical overview of this concept in one of my videos, that I will give the description in the that will give the link of the particular video in the description. You can see it. So it is known as ad group. For the time being, a particular account can have more than one campaign. A particular campaign can have more than one ad group. A particular ad group has ads and keywords. Now, moving to the next section is AdWord campaign types. Your ad campaign has its own budget and settings that determines where your ads will appear. We can create a project based on the client to come in for the project. So it's campaign types that I've already discussed. This is the campaign types. I think this slide is made by mistake. So sorry for that. This is the campaign types which I've already discussed. And next thing is Google AdWords ad group. Your ad group contains a set of similar ads and the words and phrases. Ad group can contain a set of similar ads and ad groups and phrases known as keywords, which I told you just right now. An ad group contains of one or more ads. It can be there, as I told you right now, of laptops, mobile, cameras. Each of the campaigns is made up of one or more ad groups, and use ad groups to organize your ads by common theme. Now next thing is Google AdWords ad types. It can be a text ad, it can be an image ad, it can be a video ad, it can be a dynamic ad, or it can be a mobile ad as well. Dynamic ad means the ad which keeps on changing on the basis of stock. Suppose you have a particular product in your website, it's mobile phones, you have 10 mobile phones, and as you were advertising it on Google that I have 10 mobile phones, you can purchase it at lower discount. People are purchasing, and once it has decreased to 7, now it is 4, 5. So ads will be modified in such a way will be made in such a way that it will be modified. It is dynamic in nature. It will keep on changing. So they are the ad types. Then it is Google AdWords ad types as I've only see. This one is the shopping ads. This one is the shopping ads. Shopping ads. Shoes. Shopping ads. Then this sort of advertisement is a text ads. So this sort of advertisement I will be showing you the practical implementation in the next video as well. Then it is Google AdWords bidding types. It can be CPM, that determines your budget, CPM, that is cost per milli, and it is also known as cost per thousand impression, means how much you are going to pay Google for 1,000 impressions. You have to implement this or this sort of stuff when you are practically going to place Google advertisements. Then it's CPC, cost per click, how much you're going to pay to Google on per click on your advertisements. Cost per acquisition, they are the mainly three types of terms, bidding types. Then it is Google AdWords ad ranking. How ranking is made? Ad ranking determines the maximum CPC into quality score. Quality score means your website quality. Your mobile friendliness is there in the website. Some of the websites are only operated on desktop, and when these are open in mobile phones, actually what happened that it is not compatible with the mobile view. So in that case, Google will not going to rank your websites at all. So ad rank directly depends upon the maximum CPC, maximum cost per click. Suppose you have suppose two-person are there in electronic industry, and both are selling laptop, and both are doing Google advertisement. A particular person has done CPC, he has set CPC 10 rupees, and second person had set CPC as 30 rupees. So Google is more likely to show the ads of that particular person B who has spent 30 rupees. Obviously Google is earning more amount from person B, so they will give more priority to person B. So it is maximum CPC into quality score that determines your website quality score, and maximum CPC. Quality score is a metric calculated AdWords based on various factors of quality and relevance. Your website friendliness is there or not, website keywords are used appropriated or not. So they are all the quality scores that have been taken into mean considerations. And at the last, it is your quality score factors, click through rate of keywords, that how many people are clicking to a website with the keywords that you have specified, relevance of keywords in ad group. You have a particular, you are selling a laptop and you are giving ads and you are giving keywords like buy smartphones. So it is completely opposite. In that case, your quality score factor will not be there. So the keywords must be relevant to a particular product, and the particular product is obviously related to your ad group. Then relevance of keywords and ads, as I told you, relevance of landing pages with the keywords, and historical AdWords account performance. Historical AdWords account performance means suppose you have previously you have run more than 10 ads or anything, suppose 2-3 ads you have run previously, your historical performance will also be taken into deep consideration, that what types of ads were there, your previous ads have how many impressions, how many clicks. So these all quality factors will be taken into deep consideration while displaying your ads to potential targeted audience. I hope that in this video you could have understood the basic of all these things, and next video I will be showing you about this practical implementation of difference between AdWords and AdSense, shopping ads and similar things. So stay tuned for the next video as well, and if you have any doubt you can contact me with my Instagram account, that is ANURAGLALA1506. I hope that you are all well in this COVID pandemic, and hope you to see in the next video. Thank you.